Got the Dunlop TrailMax Missions installed. We're about to go for a first ride on these bad boys. Here's a look at the rears as well. So let's get geared up, get on the bike, and we'll talk about them. All right, now we are out on the road on the Dunlop TrailMax Missions, and I will give you my initial thoughts and impressions there momentarily. First off, these are a 50-50 tire, so a little bit more aggressive for some off-road. I came from the factory Michelin Anarchy Adventures, much more road biased, and I gotta tell you, these right off the bat, they feel different. Now, that might just be because I've really never ridden anything with knobbies or with, you know, close to anything related, you know, to close to knobbies, like 50-50s or anything like that. It's always been street tires. The Anarchies, their build is 80-20s. But they really, you know, they handled great on the road, those things. These things, just that initial, you know, entry into wanting to lean it over. Now, you know what? It actually feels a little bit better now. So maybe it was just that very first, you know, taking it out, but they definitely feel, I don't even know what the word is for it. You're an a-hole. When you're pushing into into a turn, you know, giving it that initial, you know, push to get it leaned over, it feels like you almost have to hold it there a little bit more. It doesn't have that, you know, it doesn't seem to track the same way. Maybe that's what I'm, the word I'm looking for. And it's probably just something that I'm gonna have to get used to, being that I'm coming from pretty much only street riding. And I gotta open this visor because I need some air. It is hot one today. So I'm not going too hard, aggressive. That's what she said. And Sunday drivers, because they are, you know, brand new, and I'm in my first, you know, 5-10 miles on these things. So not that I would ever be dragging a knee, but I definitely will not be dragging a knee right now. So I'm just out for a nice little leisurely ride to kind of get these things scrubbed in. And, you know, I was coming along, let's see if this Jeep's gonna stay. No, he did. Look at that. You know, just kind of doing a little side to side, try and warm them up. And that's when I really kind of noticed that, man, it seems like you have to be really deliberate to push them over. Now, as far as other things, going straight, they seem to be quite smooth. Now, maybe that was because of my expert mounting and balancing of these tires, but kidding. Yes, I did mount them myself. That's point number 2 here I want to make about these tires. If you decide to mount these things yourself, be prepared, because their sidewalls are very stiff, and not that it's hard, but it definitely takes a bit of effort to get these tires on. All right, so I talked about the feel, the initial feel, and you know, after a few miles here, they're starting to feel a little bit better. They're starting to feel a little bit, yeah, maybe I'm just getting used to them more than anything. Mounting, yes, you mount these tires, maybe bring them to the shop. That might be a better option. Honestly, I kind of wanted the experience of mounting tires myself. Carmen Gia, maybe. Prior to flying helicopters, I was an auto mechanic, and I mounted in the thousands of tires because I worked at a couple of different tire shops. So mounting tires with a machine, much easier. These things, you know, mounting them by hands, I kind of wanted the challenge, see that I could do it myself, and well, I did. It took me a while, and it was very sweaty work, and there was no way I was going to be filming that because, well, you know what, there's some things that just don't need to be seen. Alright, so far I'm really kind of liking them. They're you know, they're smooth. They do have that, you know, like I said, kind of, well, you know what, it's starting to work itself out now. So I wonder if it was just like some initial high spot factory, you know, stuff on the tires. Anyway, all right, first time off-road. First thing I'm gonna do though is pull over and pull the damn rubber inserts out of my pegs. Let's go. Oh yeah, okay. This right here is pretty well hard packed. I don't know if it continues dirt or not. Where are we going? Oh no. Okay, so I guess we're back on pavement. That was short-lived. Now, this is White's Bogs Road. This should lead us to historic White's Bogs, if I remember correctly. And I'm pretty sure it turns to dirt here in a second. Yeah, alright, we'll slow down a little bit because I don't know what we got coming. Yeah, pretty well hard packed, well groomed. A little sandier here. And of course now I'm stuck behind somebody. I think he's letting me go there. Nice. But yeah, it definitely got a little sandier there, but you know what? It really didn't feel it. Is it the tires? Could be. So, this is the village of White's Bogs. They used to grow a bunch of cranberries around here. If I can find my way, I'll take you past some of the cranberry bogs. I don't know what's worse, being down in the rut there or being, you know, up higher. Alright, well, we gotta get a picture here, because, you know, you gotta do it for the gram. Okay. Let's get back to it. Alright, so far, you know, this is pretty hard packed. You know what? The Anarchies probably would have handled this just fine as well. This, I'm going to say, is very mixed. I don't know. The heck? Okay. This is definitely some strange terrain. I can feel it moving below me, so I'm going to get up on my feet just so I can let it do its thing. Let's go this way. Pretty cool out here. Really, usually very peaceful. You know, the worst part is I went and cleaned when I had the wheels off, I thoroughly cleaned the chain, the sprocket. Because I thought, you know what, it's a perfect opportunity to do that. And now, you know, next day I'm out here getting it dirty. Oh, yeah. So I guess I'll be doing more chain cleaning. You really can get lost back here. It's crazy how much just goes all over the place. And I think this is the exit, one of the other exits. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, well, I think that's gonna do it for this one. I mean, realistically, so now I've taken them off-road a little bit and mostly on-road. So far, I like them. Stay tuned. We're going to get out. We're going to do some more off-road and hopefully get together with the 333. So, you know, it's always safer to be with somebody else, especially when you're out there on the trails. This place, it's not that bad because you got the park ranger riding around here. I already passed him twice when I was over there. So, you know, anything happens, eventually somebody will come along to you. So, damn, man, I just washed this thing. Alright, I'm going to start heading home. Just that little bit of dirt kind of really got my... I'll put it this way, I was very sore from the work I did yesterday putting the tires on. Alright, well, before I overheat too much, I'm going to get back on the road, and we'll see you on the next one. Remember, get out, enjoy the road, and enjoy the ride. We'll see you.